shower time. We need soap, shampoo, and a towel. Warm water. Step in slowly. Keep your face dry. Soap. Wash your body. Feet, legs, arms, neck. Rinse. Shampoo. A little on your head. Make bubbles. Careful with your eyes. Finally, we turn off the water and we dry with the towel. Stay inside. Keep the floor dry. Wear slippers so you don't slip. All clean. You can do it. See you next time. If you liked this video, tap like. Subscribe to learn and play with Cosmo.